Hello, shalom, bonjour. What's up? It's Farmer Eddie. How you doing? I got my little daughter. She's playing games down there. She having fun. But when you got kids, that's the way it is. They're awesome. They're awesome. They're wonderful. It's good to have kids, man. Man, women out there, a good family, good kids. This one want to be in the picture. She's a picturist. All right. So today I'm gonna show you what I've learned about picking watermelon when it's ready. The dendril has a slim part, and then at the right close to the stem, it's kind of fat. When the dendril gets dry and the fat portion, you know it's about ready. So when it gets like halfway through the fat portion, it's very ready. All right. So today I end up picking this one for you. Just picked it off the vine, hot, off the vine. All right. So I'm gonna cut it so y'all can see what I'm talking about. Let's go for it. But then I had a little disaster. I was walking with it in my tool, a little handle, a little thing I made, a little makeshift handle there to carry it, and it fell down, bam, and it cracked. But that's also a good sign, because it cracked, you know it's ready. So I'm gonna see the cracks there, to the left, to my left and the right. So I'm gonna cut it open and give it a smell and a look. So you'll have a good look. This is from the garden. This is the Sugar Baby. All right. So I think let me just cut along the cracks so it wouldn't be kind of crazy. Ready? You ready? I hope you all are ready. I'm gonna cut it open. This is the Sugar Baby cutting open here right now. Whoa. Oh, you hear it cracking? You know it's ready when it's cracking like that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Let's get there. Let's get there. Whoa. Ha ha. Isn't that beautiful? All right, so I'm gonna make one more cut later. Maybe I should make another cut now. I'll make another cut for you all. I'll cut it again. Sugar Baby, cutting the Sugar Baby. For all those who watch the videos. Oh yeah. Cut that there. Skin's a little thick in these, but it's all right. You can see it's ripe. You can smell it's ripe. See the beauty of it? You can smell it. Oh, it smells sweet. I gave it at least 1 day without water. All right, well, more like a day and a half. Yesterday it rained a little yesterday, but today it didn't rain at all. So I'm gonna cut it another piece out there, and we're gonna take a taste. All right, me and you, we're gonna take a taste, right? Me, you, and my wife that's holding the camera. The camera is. Oh, I like to do it the long way. Let's do the long way. Oh, yeah. All right, so I'm gonna give my wife the first taste. While I taste, see what the taste is like. Now you're gonna hear her. If she says, that's great, then we know we got a good one. All right, so let's see.
Very juicy, is running on my own.
Very juicy, she said. Mm-hmm. Very juicy. Well, it took me one try, and I learned from my mistake. Was it one or two? Can't even remember. That's probably one try.
Mm-hmm.
And now I see where I went wrong the last time. Wait till the dendril gets almost dry all the way up into the fat portion. And then you know it's ready, and it's true. Watch this. You can see that is ripe. You can see that really ripe. Wow. I'm going for another piece inside there too. Oh yeah, see where that one goes. Oh yeah. It's a big one. Oh yeah. I don't really celebrate birthdays, but like a big thing. But I celebrate it. It's not recognized. You know, 54, 24. Hey, people that that's 25, right? 54, no, 54, 45. Okay. But today is my birthday, so like and share. All right. Give me a birthday present. Bring me up to 1,000 this month somehow. 1,000 subscribers. I didn't put this in the fridge yet. When we put it in the fridge, it should be even better. Oh man. Nice and cool. It's good. It's good. Really good. I love it. It's juicy. It's amazing. I'm about to do my mom doing all kind of crazy stuff right now. But this is Farmer Eddie. Alright? Like, subscribe, share, hit the notification button. Alright? As we move forward, I'm getting ready to build a bigger garden next year. It's the fall now. I'm wondering what I'm gonna plant, but we're gonna see. Alright, but we already got some plants coming. We got some jalapenos and what we got? Habanero peppers. What else we got coming up? Well, in fact, the okra trees like producing like every 2 days, like 12 to 15 okras. It's amazing. I'm telling you, it's all good. So, love you all. This is Farmer Eddie saying goodbye and shalom.